Hey friends, if Lightshot is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through every possible resolution. So here's the first thing that you need to do. When you search for Lightshot and try to open the application, it doesn't open because that's not how it was supposed to be. Rather, you'll find it in the right corner here, or you can also press print screen on the keyboard to take a screenshot. But if you click on this, you will be able to take a screenshot, and then it gives you options to edit the screenshot. Okay, and if you press escape, then you're done with it. So first of all, make sure that you are trying to use Lightshot in the correct manner. After this, if this doesn't help, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab, select installed apps, and check for any competitor app here. Like for example, we have ShareX on our system. Now this is another screenshot application that can interfere with Lightshot. Why? Because the shortcut is the same for both of them, which is print screen. So I will deactivate any other application so that only one third party application is installed here. The next solution will be to search for Lightshot in the Windows search bar and uninstall it. Okay, just uninstall Lightshot. And once it is uninstalled, you can search for Lightshot download. And then you can go to this download page and select download for Windows. And then open it to reinstall it on your computer. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.